back to my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial on this hair, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hair, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is how the hair looks. I am wearing a number 30 wig. If I'm not mistaken, this is deep curly hair from Klaiyi hair. I'll have all the full details listed down below. And if I'm not mistaken, the length of this wig is a 24-inch. So I'm just going ahead now and adjusting it to my head. I did go ahead and cut around the ears. I'm going to begin to basically cut the lace and begin to prep it for install. So I'm honestly not used to wearing this hair color nor wearing different kinds of hair colors. So make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this hair color. And you know, look at the final results and let me know what you guys think, because I was iffy but my pictures came out really cute. So yeah, I'm now gonna go ahead and lift up the lace and just begin to apply my so melted lace glue. I'm going in with my first layer, and after that I'm gonna go in with a second layer, and once that second layer is fully blended in, I will go ahead and begin to apply the wig. Okay, so now I'm just going ahead and putting down the glue, well, putting down the lace right above the glue that I used. And I'm just going around the hairline and tapping through, making sure everything is fully glued down. Once I finish doing that, I'm just going ahead and going in with my Got To Be, and I'm just putting it along my lace. This is just going to go ahead and give it an extra melt. I'm going to be taking my melt band. These are my new melt bands, y'all. I love them so much. These ones are a bit more comfortable than my last ones, and the material is a bit softer. I just think the words on it is spelled out so cute. So these are my new melt bands, and I'm just going to let that sit for 5 minutes. Now that it's finished drying, this is how it looks afterwards, and I'm just going to go ahead and begin to start my baby hairs. I'm going to go ahead and skim through this process because I do my baby hairs often, and I do explain step by step when I do my baby hairs. So I'm just going ahead and doing some plucking of it, and I'm also going to cut the baby hairs down shorter. I'm honestly now only doing my baby hairs with my curling iron, so I will curl them afterwards and basically pluck it. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive straight into it. As for my gel, I'm going to be using my baby hair goo gel. These are the new containers, and that is a 4-ounce bottle. So I'm just going to be using that to slick my edges or my baby hairs. So yeah, y'all, the baby hairs did actually come out pretty cute in this part. This might be the favorite part of my hair, was maybe the texture and the baby hairs. So I'm now just gonna go ahead and get to baby hairing. So now that I've finished my baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Got To Be and put my melt band over. And I'm going to let that dry for 5 minutes. Once that dries, I'm going to come back on the camera and finish out the tutorial. Alright you guys, so I've now come up to like basically the end of the tutorial. Like, oh no, my baby hairs is kind of completely lifted up. This is a brand new melt band and I already dirtied it. My timer going on. So now, some of my baby hairs look. I honestly don't know how to feel about this hair because I really do hate color hair on me. But we'll see. I'm now gonna take out like some pieces of the hair. So I'm gonna take out like a chunk right here, like a small chunk out right here, and then I'm gonna just curl it with my curling iron. Alright guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. So I did show you guys me putting it into a ponytail because my camera overheated, and plus I didn't really do anything too crazy. It's not like I like did a slick down or anything. I really just threw the hair in a simple ponytail. I didn't put any products in it. I'm leaving it at the natural state. I like how the curls look naturally, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this hair color. I think it's kind of I don't know, it's giving me like auntie. So actually when I say auntie I mean like on drugs auntie, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You know, I'm not really like into colors and stuff like that, so I decided to just give it a try. I mean, it's cute, but I kind of made it look like it's actually in I made it look like it's a ponytail versus it being a half up half down, just because the hair is actually like tracks over here, so you really can't do like a slick half up half down. That's why I pulled the hairs in the front right here from the ponytail to make it look like it's kind of in a full ponytail versus half up half down. And actually I like it better that way than I just doing these two pieces. I showed you guys these. I curled these with the same iron I used on my baby hairs. So yeah, and I'm just gonna show you guys what came inside the packaging. So they sent me a wig cap. That's crazy because I was looking for a wig cap earlier before I started filming. So they sent me a wig cap, and they sent me a bandana to tie my hair down with at night. Sorry. They sent me a pair of lashes. Believe it or not, with some mascara, these lashes look really good. So I will be wearing these whenever I run out of lashes. And then they also sent me a 6-pack of clips, so definitely gonna use these. If you guys watch the video, you'll see when I was struggling without a clip, I kept curling the actual hair, so a clip is definitely needed. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I am wearing hair from Klaiyi Hair. I have worked with this company several times for like years, so make sure you guys check them out. I've always enjoyed their hair and working with this company, so I'll have all the descriptions listed down below so you guys can get this hair and all the details on this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching.